back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a thrift haul, y'all. I decided to go thrifting and I found some cute pieces, y'all, that I'm like excited about, honey. A lot of them you can transition into the fall, but a lot of them are summery. So we're gonna get right into this video. Today we're recording this video, of course, in my room. I do not have an official filming room yet. Well, I do have a filming room. It's my third bedroom, but I gotta transform it into a closet slash office. So until then, we're gonna just use the different locations in my place that I want to use. So back to what I was saying. We're going to get into this first piece because this first piece is so cute and I'm so excited about this first piece. And it is this beautiful top. Look at this top. And it like buckles in the back, and it's just so cute, and it ties at the neck. So cute. Like, it's just so beautiful. Like this is beautiful. So yeah, that one is cute. I have everything sitting right here on the bed. So yeah, I usually have a rack. Like back then when I would do these hauls, I would have a rack, but my rack is all filled up. But I also found this piece here. It's this long dress. Y'all, this is so beautiful. Like, this is so beautiful. Like, look at this. The material, y'all, is like, it's the most softest material. It's so soft, so amazing, and it's long. It's a long dress. It's like a tight fitted dress. Is so beautiful, and it stretches really well. So beautiful. Yes. All right, y'all, the next piece that I found is this piece here. This is so pretty. Look at this. It's giving Gucci, baby. It's giving Gucci. Like, this is so cute. Like, it's so pretty. I think it has a zipper here on the side. It is so beautiful. Like, it's so pretty. And it's long and it's pleated. It's like a pleated look. Just very good. I mean, I feel like this is like pretty decent quality, to be honest with you, because it's like, it feels good. Like, the way it feels. So this is cute. Alright, the next piece, y'all, and I did get a lot of dresses, so yeah. This dress here, very long, very beautiful. It has the ties at the waist. So pretty. Oh, this is so beautiful. Like, you can wear this for Christmas. This is so beautiful. Like, look at it. Like, I cannot wait to rock this. Like, that's gonna be a look, okay? All right, the next item that I received, well, that I bought, that I have, is this beautiful dress. Like, it is so pretty. Like, this is a beautiful dress, and it has the open in the front. Like, it opens. This is with the wide sleeve. Look at that. So pretty. Like, this is such a beauty right here. This piece is such a beauty. Like, I'm telling y'all. Like, all right, the next thing that I found is cute. I found this one, and I found something just like this one at another Goodwill. It says Lucky Label, by Lucky Label, whoever that is, and it zips in the back. This is the zipper, and it just cinches at the neck. This is so cute. Right now I'm on a weight loss like kind of journey, so this is gonna be cute once I get down to my goal weight. This is gonna be bomb. Like, this is gonna be bomb. And it's like this beautiful tan color. Wish it shows the color. I feel like it's looking a little too bright. Let's see. See, look at that pretty color. It is so pretty. But yes, so beautiful. All right, the next one I got is just like it, and I got it from a different one, and It's in black. It has the zipper back here, same concept, kind of like a turtleneck. These two pieces transition into the fall, and it says Lucky Label. Well, yeah, Lucky Label, and it's a bodysuit. One is a small, well, one is a medium, and one is a large. I meant. So yeah, this one is a medium, and it stretches a lot. Like the stretch on this is pretty good. So this is beautiful. Like I just thought that this was so nice. Like. When I hooked that piece up, honey. All right, I found this. I have been looking like for a long sleeve, like white top. I got a lot of them, but when I seen this one, I like the details. And the fact that it was a bodysuit. And I love the sleeves. It's this wide sleeve. Look at this. This is so pretty. It has like a detail in here. And then it's a bodysuit. This is so pretty. This is a good piece for the fall. Like, I'm going to really be getting some serious looks out of that one. Okay. Y'all, the next piece is from Fashion Nova. I found it at the Goodwill. It is this dress here. It has a slit on the side. So cute. Look at this. The colors. The colors, the colors, the colors. Okay. So, yeah, so pretty. Like, I tried this on. She giving body, baby. But nah, I need to work on my body, so. But it is kind of giving body though, regardless. So I do love that. All right, the next piece, y'all, because I didn't want to make this video crazy long. This is a little simple thrift haul. We need to get through it, baby. Is I found this beautiful long. Y'all, I can try this on for y'all. Let's try this on, honey. Let's do it. Let do it. Oh my goodness, baby. Like, stop playing with her. Like, she coming through with it, honey. Like, the pockets on it, like, she coming through with the looks, honey, on this one. When I seen this piece, there was no way I was leaving it. There was no way. And I'm gonna be honest with you, it was a couple of us looking at this same piece. And a lady actually asked me, she said, are you gonna get that? I said, yes, it is mine. I told her, I said, yes, I'm getting it. She was like, oh, that is so beautiful. So she wanted this piece, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. It goes all the way to the floor. Look at this. It is so long, y'all. I can't even show y'all in this clip because it's so long. It is very long. Like, this thing is long. It is so bomb, y'all. The next piece that I found was this beautiful, the detailing on this. Let's turn this down so y'all can see. Look at that. So, okay. So, yeah. Look at this. Beautiful slip dress. It's long, y'all. Like, it's like asymmetrical, too. It's like beautiful. It's asymmetrical, and it's just so pretty, and it's a crossback. Yo, I can wear this on a date with my man. This is beautiful. This is giving date night, come home, have a good night. Okay? That's what that's giving. Alright, the next piece, y'all, is this beautiful, look at this. And it has a slit on the side. Look at this. It's black. It's just solid black. And it's beautiful. It's a slip dress. I just thought this was so pretty. It's from Boohoo. And I got it from the Goodwill. And it's a size 6. Or 8 or something like that. So yeah. This is so pretty. I said, oh, I needed this. Because like I have this tight black like mini thing that I can wear underneath this. Or like these little shorts that I can wear underneath this. And rock this thing, baby. Like. This is so beautiful. Look how long it is. And it's beautiful. The piece that I got is another slip dress and it's gold. Like, this one is very nice. Look at this. Oh. This one is so pretty. The back. Just silk. I can wear this on a date night too, honey. Something simple. On the little heel type situation. This is so pretty. Like, this is beautiful. Like I said, y'all, I'm telling you, I lucked out when I went. I just decided to go randomly, y'all. And okay, the last two items that I found are these beautiful. I just thought they were cute. I think they're cute. You might not like them, but I love them. Okay. I thought these were so pretty. Look at these. It's no. I'm not big on a long thick heel. I don't like that. I'm not that type of girl. I like a short heel. This heel here is just beautiful. Oh, look at it, y'all. And they barely been worn. Look, like so beautiful, so beautiful, y'all. I could not believe I found these, and they're just so cute. They're in such good shape. They were made in Italy, so you can tell, baby. They were made in Italy. You can tell. All right, the last piece that I found was just random. They have the purses kind of up in the front as you get ready to check out, and I went over there and I seen this, and they had this attached to it. Look at this. I have another belt, something similar to this. Look at this. And then it's a clear bag that's holding it. Honey, stop playing with me. Like, so pretty. So yeah, y'all, that was everything that I found. I'm not gonna say that I'm gonna go again anytime soon, because I always get caught up with buying a bunch of stuff, like clothes. I can't do that. No, I can't. So I'll probably take a little minute before I go back. But when I go back, hopefully I can film. I will film this time and show you guys kind of like what I'm finding and what I'm seeing. And then also take y'all to a jewelry store that I go to get all of my jewelry. All of my, like, I have a lot of jewelry pieces, and when I finally do buy my jewelry case thing and I put all my jewelry in it, y'all gonna see how much jewelry I got. I got a lot of jewelry. So unless I go to this website called Vibzen, VIBZN, and I get a lot of custom jewelry made from there. But when I don't want to do that, I just go to this certain jewelry store that they have here, and I go in there and they have, it's not, some of it's real, some of it's not real, but they have some really good pieces, honey. I'd be up in there like for a while just looking at the jewelry, you know. So a lot of these bracelets came from there. A lot of the jewelry I have has come from there, and I just recommend it. So I mean, I ain't gonna tell y'all where the store is. I don't want nobody to be up in there while I'm in there, you know what I'm saying? But well, not even that, but I'll just show you the inside of the store though, for real, like, and show y'all this. Y'all, I was not prepared when I went in there, honey, to see the jewelry that they have. And that's their most popular thing in that store is their jewelry. They have clothes. The clothes are kind of expensive for a thrift store, but the jewelry is amazing. So like I said, I'm going to sign off of here for now, and I will talk to you guys later. And I would like to tell you this before I go, because I always do this. If they serve you no purpose, let them go. Let her go, let him go, let them go, period. And y'all have a blessed, wonderful day, night, wherever you're watching this video, okay? Stay peaceful.